So, Numaira, can you please introduce yourself?
Oh sure, why not? So my name is Numaira Zanan. I'm a student of class 4 in Mohammadpur Preparatory School and College. My hobbies are drawing and traveling. I live in Dhaka at Mohammadpur. So Puriti, is that enough?
Yeah, that's enough. So, Numaira, I have some plenty of questions for you today. Are you ready for that?
Oh yes, why not? And I'm also excited to ask you some questions.
Yeah, sure. So, my first question is, why is learning English important for students?
Well, as you know that English is our international language. So that's why many people perceive English as well. So it helps us share our ideas and feelings with others. It also connects the whole world together. Students can understand their books and lessons better by knowing English. Many subjects in higher education require English as well. Students can also improve their knowledge by reading fun English books. And many exams and higher studies also require English. So it helps us in our education and also helps our students as well.
Yeah, that's correct. You're absolutely right.